Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are working with the TEKS tool number line, working with number pairs. We have a problem related to TEKS 3.5e and we'll solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have Diego collecting stickers, and he started with 8 stickers. So he wants to have the number of stickers that he has equal to the number of sticker sheets he buys plus 8. So he starts with 8, and then he wants the number of sticker sheets to equal the number of stickers plus the 8 that he already had. So which table shows this relationship? Well, it tells us that he's starting with plus 8. So let's take a look at what that would look like. And I'll show us on a double number line here. So he is starting with stickers, okay, and then sticker sheets. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put our sticker sheets, because that's what he's buying, right down here. And then he's buying his stickers right up here. And so when he had 0 sticker sheets, he had 8 stickers. Remember it said he started with 8 stickers? And then he wants to have the number of stickers be equal to the sticker sheets plus 8. So if I get 1 sticker sheet, that means it's going to be 1 plus 8 or 9. Because what he's doing is he's just adding 1 sticker for every sticker sheet. The only difference is he's starting with 8. So it's a plus 8 relationship. So that's really what we're looking at. Since we're adding 1 for each of these, we're adding 1 for each of these. That means since it's the same, you're adding 1. That means it's an additive relationship. Because every time you add 1 sticker sheet, you're adding 1 sticker. You just happen to start with 8. So let's see what we've got here. Okay? And so if we were to do this, we would see that we've got the sheets. Look at A, and then the stickers. And we've got 2, 5, 7, 12. And we've got 10, 13, 15, 20. All right, so we're adding 3, 2, and 5. And look what we're doing up here. 3, 2, and 5. When these are the same, that means we have an additive relationship. And so we can see this is either 10 minus 2 or 13 minus 5, or we've got 15 minus 7 or 20 minus 12. All of those equal the same thing, that plus 8 that we're looking for. So A is looking pretty good. Let's look at another one and see why it's incorrect, right? So let's look at C over here. So I've got my sheets and I've got my stickers. If we look at what we have here on C, 2 goes with 12, 5 with 15, 7 with 17, and then 12 with 22. So that's a plus 3, that's a plus 3, that's a plus 2, that's a plus 2, plus 5, plus 5. So we do have an added relationship because it's the same thing. But look, 12 minus 2, 15 minus 5, 17 minus 7, 22 minus 12. That's not 8. Each of these is a plus 10. So that's why this one is incorrect. And we could do the same thing with D, but what we're going to find is we're going to find something different with D. You notice that they're not the same difference, which means these are a unit rate. So 6 over 3, 4 over 2, 10 over 5, they all equal times 2 because you're multiplying by 2 since it's a unit rate. And so it's not showing an additive relationship, it's showing a multiplicative relationship. And the same thing's going on with B. They're multiplying here times 8. So our answer here is going to be A.